Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Racer X, and today's video it's really kind of unfortunate actually. It's a video that I was not preparing to do, certainly one that was unexpected. I actually took the Mustang out last night for a little bit of an errand, and something happened, and you're going to find out exactly what happened here momentarily. I don't really have much else to say, so stay tuned for that. Also, guys, if you're new to my channel, do me a big, gigantic favor. Hit subscribe for me. Lots of plans coming up, believe me, and they're changing every day. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, and here we go.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Okay, guys, listen. I went for a drive in the Mustang a little bit later at night. You can see the streets are all wet. I hit an oily patch in the left-hand lane, not speeding, all by myself, single accident. And my Mustang, as you can see, guys, is totaled. My car is totaled. I don't know. I don't know if I'm hurt or not. I'm bleeding, but I don't know. I don't know what happened. As you can see, I'm shaking. This just happened, literally just happened. My Mustang is completely trashed. Look at it. I cannot believe this. I don't even know what to think, guys. It's completely and totally trashed. The hood is peeled back. I don't even think I was doing the speed limit. You can see all the moisture in the left-hand lane here. I don't know why it's wet. It wasn't raining, but I wasn't going more than 70 miles an hour, but the car turned and hit the wall. Oh. I'm sick to my stomach. Oh my God. Here's my arm. I don't know, guys. Here is the inside, guys. Airbags have gone off. You can see, oh my God. I cannot believe this happened. It still smells like smoke in here, guys. I don't know if I'm okay or not. My arm is really banged up. I think I got burned from the airbag. This is unreal. You can see, guys, the hood's all peeled back. Oh my God, look at my car, you guys. I've never even had an accident. Here come the police. Oh, for heaven's sake. Here they come. Oh man. So you can see, you got police officers back there. The car actually went dead sideways. I was in the left-hand lane. Appreciate the officers out here tonight to help me out. But you can see parts of my tire here laying. The car was in the left lane, going not more than about 70 miles an hour. It literally, I hit a really, really wet or oily spot back there where you see the first police car. The car immediately kind of started to go to the right and then immediately took a hard left straight into the wall. There was nobody else around me. Wasn't doing anything crazy. Well, it's just a really weird situation, but you can see the car skidded all the way along this wall. And as you can see right back here, I think there's the impact mark back here, guys. I cannot believe I've never had an accident like this in my entire life. I don't know what to say about it. I wasn't out being irresponsible or reckless. Nothing like that. I just cannot believe. There's where I hit, I believe, right there. I know it's kind of hard to see this, but there's my inner fender well, and there's my headlight. There's some of my intercooler piping. The car went straight into the wall. And down there, you can kind of start to see, I don't want to walk back there. Luckily, the officers are with me, but there's a bunch of dirt there. He's got the light on it. There's a bunch of dirt going across the highway right here. And that's what's making everything slick right there. It must have been from the rain today or something, but it's all slick and dirty going across the road right here. And that is right where I lost control, guys. It's just a sucky situation. Guys, there it goes. I don't know what to say, guys. I have no words. It's hard to watch. We just got the car finished. It's just a bad situation altogether. Look at all the debris and stuff and the junk in the road. The police officer was nice enough to take me back where I believe my car lost control. And as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. Look at all the stuff. This is from the rain and all the stuff that we've had recently. It's going across the road, making it really slick. And that, I believe that was probably the culprit, unfortunately. Just a nasty situation. Nothing I could have done. Just a huge bummer. It is now, about 3 in the morning. You saw what happened to the car. It's just, man, what a situation. They did end up having to take me to the hospital to get looked at. You know, I'm fine, guys. I want to just stress the fact that I am okay. They were concerned about me having a concussion. I do have an absolute raging headache right now, but obviously I was cleared to go home, which is great news. Really the only issue I think I have besides a headache is just, obviously I took my bandage off just so I could show you this, but this is the kind of the result of the steering wheel airbag that popped out. Ultimately, that airbag probably saved my life, guys, if I'm being dead serious. All the airbags, all the side curtains, the car did exactly what it was supposed to do in that situation, and I feel like the car saved my life. It's just, I'm trying to process all of this. As I mentioned, you know, I wasn't out doing anything crazy at all. I actually just went to the store right before I went to Walmart, right before they closed, trying to pick up just a couple of last minute things. And then on my way home, I ran into a slippery patch of pavement. It looked like it was kind of muddy from the rains. And the car literally just came completely out from under me. And there was zero I could do. The car went slightly to the right, and then the car went completely left. All in a very, very short span of time. I didn't overcorrect. I didn't do anything like that. I'm pretty experienced with cars, obviously, as you guys know. And the car just came around on me and went directly into the wall very hard. Huge impact. Just tire screeching and parts and flowing everywhere. And it was a really, really bad, a bad deal. So while I'm obviously super bummed, I'm bummed for my sponsors. I'm bummed for just, this whole situation sucks. I mean, I just got the car back, guys. You guys have been following the build, and I'm so proud. And just the car made me very happy. I really enjoyed this Mustang, and I'm just trying to figure out in my head where to go from here. And it's a tough one. You know, this is really the first major accident I've had in my life, you know, and I feel blessed that that is the case. Obviously with tonight, just an overall bad night. I don't know what I could have done to have avoided this. Sometimes things happen and I just have to accept that. But I will say that I do feel somewhat fortunate when I really think about how bad it could have been, because obviously there was nobody around me. I didn't hit any other cars, you know, and the car did what it did, and it protected my life. And, you know, when things like this happen, you think about the people you care about the most, and life is very fragile. And to only walk away with basically just a scratch, essentially, and that kind of impact is just truly a blessing. It is truly a blessing. I don't know what else to say about it. But I got off lucky, guys. It wasn't my day, and we're going to live to fight again. So I think in the morning, I might see if I can run over and give you guys a little better look at the car, as painful as that may be. It is the next day, and it is, I'm here at the tow yard actually, and the car is behind me. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here's a good look at the Mustang now in the daylight, guys. Super, super unfortunate. As I mentioned, I am okay. Thank God that the car did what it was supposed to do. But as you can see, the entire front of the car has been pushed in. It's just a really bad situation. It's actually a lot worse on the other side. The hood got pinned up against the glass, as you can see. So there's glass all inside the car. I'll go around the other side. Let me show you this really quick. So here's the inside. You can see the airbags, of course, they all deployed. You've got the windshield completely broken. A very, very violent collision inside the car. It's just terrible. So here you can see it from this side. You can see the intercooler there exposed, kind of all mangled up. This whole part of the car on this side basically got completely ripped out. So the fact that I was able to essentially walk away from this particular accident, I feel extremely, extremely blessed, because I'm just amazed. I could have been hurt or killed, guys. So, you know, if you look at this, you can see just how pushed up everything is here in the engine bay. May not be a lot to salvage here, guys. Just a bad situation all around. You can see more of my car laying right over here on the ground. That's obviously the bumper cover and stuff like that. But don't think we're gonna be able to do much with this, guys. The car has been moved. I want to give you one more quick look at this without anything in the way. I have to be honest, guys, I am incredibly lucky that I wasn't hurt or killed in this accident. Like I said, completely innocent accident. I wasn't out racing. I wasn't doing anything weird. Now, as you can see, I want to show you this. Look how coated in mud my car is. I was on the highway, guys. I want to point this out. The car didn't go slipping off into a ditch or anything else. It was literally in the median of the highway. You can see all of the mud and stuff caked up underneath this thing. Right up underneath, you can kind of see all the junk that's on. That is all stuff that was on the highway last night, which is what caused the car to lose control. This is a devastating thing for me, guys. This is really, really difficult. I need to wrap this up. I need to just kind of process some things. I really appreciate all of you guys and you supporting me, and certainly all my sponsors. We're gonna recover from this. I'm not sure where we're headed with it right now. It's all very fresh, but I'm still okay, and that's really the biggest thing, guys. Cars are replaceable, people are not, so I'm very, very lucky. But we'll get it figured out. But anyway, guys, I will talk to you on the next one. Till then, Racer X.